Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and welcome to the world of Sweatcoin, the app that turns your steps into digital currency. With Sweatcoin, every step you take is tracked and converted into Sweatcoins, a digital currency you can redeem for a variety of goods and services. To get started, head over to your Play Store or App Store and search for Sweatcoin. Install the app once you find it. After installation, open the app and sign up using your Google account. You will need to grant the app access to your physical activity, enable Google Fit, and allow step counting by turning off your battery saver. This lets the app detect your steps. Once you've completed the sign-up process, the app will prompt you to update some settings. So tap on Update Settings and confirm the changes by tapping on Yes. After that, you'll be able to see and track your steps using the app. When you've accumulated enough sweat coins, you can redeem them to purchase goods and services. Just click on the balance at the top right or on the basket icon. There are also special promos for new users where you can get items for free without spending your coins. You can save your sweat coins and use them later when you find some goods and services that you like. So why not make your steps count? Download Sweatcoin today and start earning digital currency for every step you take. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.